Want to send a doodle on Instagram? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can send a drawing on Instagram. The first thing you want to do is launch open Play Store and search for Instagram. Here, if you find the option of update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Once that is done, launch open Instagram. Now you want to tap on the message icon at the bottom of your screen. Select that. Then go ahead and open up any conversation you want. Now tap on this plus icon. Here you have the feature of draw. Go ahead and select that. Now you can select whichever color you want. As you can see, there are different color options. Once you have selected your preferred color, you can simply start to draw over here. In this way, you can doodle whatever you want. After that, you want to tap on this paper plane icon. And as you can see, this drawing has been successfully sent. Now, if you want to delete this, you can simply tap and hold on it and then select hide all option. Go ahead and tap on hide all and it will disappear. In this way, you can easily send a doodle on Instagram, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.